Hey y'all.
What's good with y'all, man?
I'm Lex.
This Sosa.
And we are about to go to Best Buy.
Yes, sir.
He trying to get these control freaks for his controller. And we done went to 2 Walmarts yesterday.
If y'all a real gamer, y'all already know what it is.
So we gonna see what Best Buy got. We went to Best Buy yesterday, but they close at 6 every day apparently.
PM.
I don't know what that's about, but
COVID.
yeah. That's real ugly because I thought that they was out of business for like 3 minutes. But no, they close at 6, so. And it's almost 3 o'clock, so we got time. And then we're gonna go get some food. So we about to head there now.
Showing the plaza is nice though.
Babe want y'all to see the sky. Y'all know how he do. It's a clear day outside. It's like 70 degrees.
I like the sound guy.
They're letting the sunroof open. We ride with the windows down and the sunroof open. All the time.
All the time. It was cold as hell last night. They could had all the goddamn window down. It was about 60 degrees.
You was cold?
Yeah, I was cold. I just didn't say shit.
But you liked it.
I was cold as hell. But I ain't mind though. I was just chilling for real.
It's that dude with that Cadillac. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I don't like Cadillacs.
I wanted a CTS-V. That's a CTS. But I wanted a V. Of course, it gotta be fast. Like, I ain't riding nothing slow. Like, you know, that's just the way I roll. She know.
Yeah.
So,
Well, we'll see y'all along the way to Best Buy. Deuces. Y'all can't even see me right now.
hey.
Hey man, say man. Anyway, y'all, we've been to like 80 Walmarts and still ain't found these control freaks. So I guess he just gonna order them or go back to Columbus and find them. We even went to Best Buy and they still wasn't in there. They always have at least one for PlayStation.
So y'all know I'm on Xbox, so I might be switching over.
They had.
I might be switching over to PS4.
They had the ones for PlayStation. Well, no, they had the ones for Xbox and Best Buy, but they were red, and then they were like 3 times the price.
Yeah. I ain't paying that much for something to just sit on my thumb.
They were $15 at Best Buy, and they're $5, $4.90 something at Walmart. So
I'll be getting a new PS5. Yeah.
But every time we come to Walmart, they have at least like 1 or 2. But it's still not that many.
So show her what you got. What you got from Best Buy. Where your stuff at? Yeah, she's gonna show y'all what she got.
Okay. So I got like 2 little small things from Best Buy. Nothing,
Small thing?
nothing too major, you know what I'm saying?
You know, the control freaks at Best Buy, it was $15. No, she spent $300. So, yeah. That's like 8 times the price. Go and show the folks you bought.
Okay. So
It's something she needed, I guess. It was a need. So
for the stream.
Y'all watch stream. Hey, pull up to the stream tonight, man.
Shout out to everybody who come through the streams and also come through the vlogs. But anyway.
I'll be in the stream, don't shout me out.
You tell me you leave.
I'll be there though. And then when I leave, I'll still be there in spirit.
They be wanting you to be there all the time. Because when you come in there, they be like, oh, sometimes.
They don't think I be busy with life and stuff.
No.
I be tired from work, I be sleeping. My job is physical. Niggas be tired. You know what I'm saying?
They don't want to hear that.
They don't want to hear that. What the hell they want to hear that? What y'all want to hear? I ain't making no excuse.
Because every time they be like,
This ain't fact.
they be like,
That's tough.
they be like, when's Sosa coming? Sosa coming today? I be like, nah, y'all, he coming on Thursday.
That's what
They was like, when he gonna move in? I was like, look, y'all getting too nosy. Y'all getting too nosy. But anyway, that's it. So, the first thing I bought was for the camera, my camera on the stream, so that my webcam is, my DSLR camera is a webcam. So I got a cam link so that I can also stream in Discord and flip through any other software I want to go to, and my camera will work. You know, just in case I leave Streamlabs, which I keep threatening to leave Streamlabs.
You do.
And use another software.
You do. Every time I pop in the stream, Streamlab did Streamlab, they'll finish start using Streamlab. Guess what you're still doing? Still use Streamlab. So.
Well, that will help me out. Okay. Also,
which is another need. Go ahead, talk to the people.
Do you want to talk to him?
Yeah, I'm just in the background.
Yeah, you are in the background. It's not like you want to talk to him.
All right. Go ahead.
Also, when I be flipping through, you know, going through my 2 monitors and everything, sometimes when I click off the game, my audio is gone. And sometimes I want to flip screens, and then I want to do some other stuff, so my audio be gone. So I got a stream deck so that I can flip through my screens and everything nice, smooth. I don't lose audio or anything like that. So yeah, that's what I got.
Upgrade a little bit, that's all she did.
Yeah, I'm just slowly upgrading my equipment so that, you know, when I get big and the quality of my streams and everything is just...
When she get her house, she can be a real live streamer.
Y'all remember back in the day when I used to live in a house, an actual house, and I had my own stream room? Hopefully I can go back to that.
That's what she really wants.
Yeah. And not stream out of my living room. Whatever. So now we finna go eat Cheddar's.
Go change clothes, girl.
Oh, you wanna change clothes?
I said, should have. I said, there ain't nothing to change clothes. My clothes, you know my clothes at. It don't, you know, it don't take her long to get ready. Bam, bam, we out the door. No,
Hey, you wanna change clothes?
See, man, okay. See, it's always what she want. But, no, I'm just messing with you. But, hey, if you want to go straight there, no, I don't know.
It ain't that serious to me. It's just Cheddar's.
So what would be serious to you?
Like we went to like Ruth Chris or like
Ruth Chris?
Yeah.
What the hell going on?
We went to Ruth Chris or like what's the Chinese place?
I thought you said Ruth Chris steak was like $30 or something.
No, it's like $100.
What's going on? Yeah, we laugh. So yeah, I guess in her eyes, I guess in her opinion, we never been on an actual date. So since we're on this topic, where would you like to go? I guess you want to dress up and do all this fancy. Ain't nothing wrong with it, but you know, we talking about your girl Lexi. So.
Oh, am I extra?
No, just go. Where you want to go? Where you want to go? I asked her yesterday what she want to do for her birthday. Her birthday ain't until February, so.
I don't be knowing these things, especially since I don't know all the restaurants that are in this city. Like, we talk about exploring, but we don't. Even if I feel like we done drove all over the city, I still couldn't tell you everything that's around. What?
You telling the truth? Yeah, we don't explore because lately she ain't been feeling herself. Something always wrong with her.
Nothing is always wrong.
Every weekend, something is wrong with Lex.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Not this weekend. I'm surprised.
Nothing is wrong.
The last 3-4 weekends, I don't know what. we ain't been doing much. We just been chilling for real.
Baby.
That's all I've been doing. I want to explore, but that's what she feel about it.
No, that's not true.
And I'm not pointing fingers at her, but and it is true. You don't ever feel good.
That's not true.
It's true.
Last weekend I did stuff, even though I had a headache. I think I had a migraine,
See?
but I was still out and about.
She was. I mean, not for long. But, I mean, we got out.
Well, you made me drive.
You know, I want to go to the beach. I want to, you know what I'm talking about?
Baby.
We ain't do none of that. We drove by the beach, you know.
We drove
Nigga, they go to the beach. I'm like, where that? You missed it. Gone. Skirt.
We drove by that beach for real, for real. Slapped by that bitch. We can go to like a Japanese place. I like Japanese food. Baby never had Japanese food. I love Japanese food. Where they cook in front of you.
Oh, like Shogun.
Yeah.
You ever been to Shogun? Yeah, I went to Shogun for my birthday one year.
Okay.
Yep, I went one. It was pretty good. I always wanted to go back.
I like that. But now we on our way to Cheddar's.
Which is gonna be your second time.
Which will be my second time at Cheddar's. I don't know what I had the first time I was at Cheddar's.
Was it good?
I don't know.
It's been years?
Mm-hmm.
Speaking of years, how long has it been since you ate crystals?
A couple of.
But you told me like 13 years or something. I was like, what the?
Since I was
Like,
young.
what did this girl eat?
Not crystals.
I understand a lot of people say they don't eat McDonald's because the food fake, whatever going on, all that. But, I mean, when I eat McDonald's, it's gonna be some chicken, like chicken related. Ain't gonna be no burger, no. But crystals?
I ain't ate crystals since my grandma used to take me to church, and she used to get crystals in the morning for they used, I don't know if they still do, but they used to have these grit bowl things. Everybody and their auntie know how much I love grit bowls. And they used to have these grit bowls and with the sausage, egg, and cheese, I think. And she was just like,
And copyrighted. What's up, y'all? Apparently Cheddar's had like a 45-minute wait. 30-45 minute wait.
every time we go to a restaurant on the weekend, it's
I
something.
would just give me all the update.
You know what
Probably.
you're gonna get?
Huh. Yeah, it won't take me long to order. So yeah, man, next time y'all be seeing probably showing y'all the food or whatever we ordered. Oh man, I see what's going on, man. The rain green tea actually. So how's the food? Somebody hungry.
I'm hungry. It's good though. The casserole is real good. I wish my cheese was kind of melted in my mashed potatoes, but it's okay.
Y'all always gotta be picky. My food is great. I mean, we ordered the same thing, so she's trying to be like me.
I ordered first.
But she knew what I was gonna pick.
No, I didn't. I ordered first.
What I say. Anyway, yeah, man, we'll see y'all when we get back to the car. Food good though. All right, y'all, we back, man. Just going for a little walk. Got the dog with him. Take the dog outside. Oh yeah, man, you see what's going on. Yeah, man, big F. Big F. Do what you call goals. Do what you call goals, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can get like that one day. Just keep y'all head up. What? This girl here. She always looking at me. She always looking at her. Baby got a little duke and I'm tight though. Oh, look at her smile. I know how to get a smile now. Kylie gonna pee right there. Really? Anyway, how's the food?
It's good. Well,
I told y'all she won't eat all her food. I know her like the back of my hand. She talking about she's so hungry.
I was, and I ate all my chicken tenders, and I ate half of my ribs.
Chicken tender. Let me get y'all this shot right here.
And I ate.
How that look? How the sky look? Yeah. Focus in on that. Oh, man, I love them blue skies.
And I ate all of my broccoli and cheese. But
Yeah.
my mashed potatoes wasn't that hot, so my cheese didn't melt.
It's chilly. It ain't cold. I mean, it's alright.
Get out of it.
What's in there? Oh, see what's in there. Tell her.
Dog, so she don't have
No, I see.
even if she don't have no pee right there. She probably don't have no pee left.
There she go, fake pee again. But yeah. I at least want to do one haunted house this year. At least one.
You don't want to go trick-or-treating?
Trick-or-treat? Who the hell trick-or-treating COVID? Who trick-or-treating, baby? Who trick-or-treating Corona? Niggas finna come up wearing masks. Coming to Fort House. I ain't going no. And then, them folk probably ain't want you. Them folk probably ain't want you to come near their house. You know how some of these folks here? Oh, he got a mask on. He can't come out trick-or-treat. Yeah, offended. So, yeah. Babe, for real? The hell we gonna trick-or-treat at?
I don't know.
Man, let nobody trick-or-treat, babe.
Come on, KK. You smelled it?
Damn, shit, they probably shut down 100 houses too about this shit. Probably shut down 100 houses too, man.
Come on, neighbor.
Yeah, we ain't doing no 100 houses this year due to COVID. It's gonna be over with. Everybody gotta wear a mask in the 100 house.
Come on.
You know, I ain't even gonna do nothing to you. Forget it. Whatever.
What?
Cause I know they. Cause if I really want to go, they gonna be tripping about it. I know they is. I know they is. Oh, it's COVID. Oh, we ain't doing it.
They probably just gonna say wear your mask. If they do it, it's just gonna be necessary.
Mask off.
Girl, you need to calm down. Okay, come on.
And, she staying in some nice apartments. I ain't been there for all yet. Got a little grill area.
I only came to the apartment style once. Come on, boo-boo. And Callie on 3.
See, I'm gonna get back to the house, man.